Welcome back, my friends. I hope this will be finally a short lecture, but it's an interesting thing again. Please open up the file 5_x-cloak HTML in your editor. All right. And then also please open up this file in your browser. So this is how the file looks like. And again, we have another menu here. So when I click on this button, the menu fades in and it fades out. But this is not really the subject of this lecture. The subject is the following. Please open up your Chrome DevTools. So I go to the Chrome DevTools. And then please, here on the top, please go to the Network tab here. And here in the Network tab, please check this checkbox here where it says Disable Cache. Okay? That's important because otherwise I cannot show you what we do, why we do what we do. Okay? So if you check this checkbox here, then you simulate that you have no caching, or you simulate that you load your page for the first time. Okay, now let's reload the page like this. And please observe always when I reload the page how for half a second or so the menu shows here on the left. So let's do it again. Can you see it? This effect, when something is showing for a very short period of time, is called flashing. So this is something we do not want, of course. So luckily there's a solution for this in Alpine JS. Please go in your instructions here, go to number 3 and click on this link, which leads you to the documentation page of Alpine JS to Xcloak. And now we just follow the instructions here. First, copy this line here, which is a style for Xcloak. Let's copy this and insert this into our style tag in the top of your document. I have already a style tag here, so I'm just gonna add this style here. By the way, if you're not familiar with this square brackets here in CSS, this is called attribute selector syntax. So with this square brackets, you can select HTML attributes, like for example, this target equals blank is a HTML attribute. Okay, so in this case, you would write a and then this target equals blank in here. Okay, but you can also use it like this, that you look for a certain attribute and it doesn't have to match anything. So in this case, we just are addressing any Xcloak. So that's what we are going to do. If you look in the documentation again, all you have to do now is to add a Xcloak. And the thing is that this Xcloak is added to that element that causes a flashing problem that we saw before. So let's go to our editor, and the element that causes the flashing problem is the submenu. And this submenu is here. Okay, so in this div that holds the submenu, we just add a Xcloak. So I type X minus cloak here, just like this, without any value. Now let's go back to our example page. And now when I reload the page, the flashing should be gone. All right, as you can see, there is no flashing anymore. Problem solved. Okay, that's it, guys. Xcloak is just about this. That's what I think, at least. That's what I use it for, at least. Okay. So see you in the next lecture, where we will start with loops in Alpine JS. And this is gonna be maybe a little bit more information, because with loops in Alpine JS, you can do a lot of crazy, great stuff. See you there.